Hello friends, welcome to the Photoshop tips and tricks. Let me show you how to change the pose of character in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start. Open the layer panel. Drag the layer to duplicate and rename it to character. Then go to the select and choose subject. When it is selected, press Ctrl J to make a copy. Then rename it to main character. Hide this layer and hold Alt and click on this thumbnail to select the object. Also hide this layer, and select this one. Now go to the Select, Modify, and Expand. Expand by 50 pixels and click OK. That's well. Go to the Edit, and choose Fill. Select the Content Aware from the list. Set the opacity to 100% and click OK. Wait for a few seconds to apply the process. OK, it's deleted. Press Ctrl D, select the lasso tool and select here. Press Shift Backspace to open the Content Aware, and click OK. OK, now it looks good. Now unhide this layer and select it. Then go to the Edit, and choose Puppet Warp. OK, that's well. Now create many points like these. And drag to adjust the poses. When it is done, press Enter. OK, looks good. This is the new pose of character. Select these two layers, and drag to group them. Hope you liked it. Please follow me on social media for more useful and effective videos. Thanks for watching.